Hello everyone, I am Vidyavedan Joshi. I will show you today e-learning app which I have built using Java XML in Android Studio. So here you can see this is the main activity or the opening screen, launching screen of this app. Here you can see these different features available here, study material, all these things. Then you can see this is how to use this app. This video will be uploaded here, and here in the drawer section you can see how to navigate. I am navigating to results section. Here you can see the results, and this is the account I have already logged in as Vidyavedan Joshi. So okay, now come to the home section. One by one I will tell you every features what I have developed in this app. So this is the notification. Here all the notification will appear. I have not developed this now. For now I have built the basic or the main key highlights of this app. So for study materials, if you will go to study material, then it will show you different topics to you. So from this topic you have to select any topics. Like I am selecting Newtonian mechanics. From this Newtonian mechanics you have to select one subtopics. I am selecting projectile motion. If I will click on this projectile motion, it will give me the notes of this projectile motion. These are demo PDFs. After completion of this complete app, we will provide the particular file for each and every section, each and every subtopics. Okay, now similarly formula sheet you will get subtopics, topics, like that you have to go to the PDF. Similar, both are the same. In previous year question here also it is also similar. It will tell you which year of paper you want to get. If you will click here, you will get JAM 2020. Okay, similarly these 2-3 are completed. Now come to video. Video is also similar. This video lectures, here you have to select one Newtonian mechanics. Similarly I will come to projectile motion, then it will automatically play a video for you. So these are all about video section. For to-do list, now what I have did, if you will click on it, it will automatically redirect you to your notes application in your smartphone. But in future what I will do, I will just make a activity where you can use CRUD operation. You can save your voice notes. All the things I will do with room database and internal storage. I will do it later. For now, the key highlights for this app is the test. Here you can give the mock test, what you are going to give in GATE, JAST, TOEFL like exams. So if I will click on this test, different test will appear. From this I want to give mid test. Okay, then I will click on this mid test one. So in this mid test you can see the time, question, number of question, marks. For each question you are getting I think 1 mark here. Okay, let what it be, but we will update it later. So these are only demo. This is for mid test one. Here you are getting start test. But if I will go to minor test one, here you are getting view answer and retake test. Why? Because I have already given the test minor test one here, so I am getting that option also. But if I will go to mid test, I have not given the mid test, so it is directly telling me start test. If I will click on start test, then all the questions will appear in front of me one by one, and I have to select the option. Here these are the question and these are the option. You have to select like this. And one thing, in progress you will be seeing this which is answered, which are not visited yet. If I will go this side 2 times, then you will see 1 2 3 and in red color means it is not answered, but 4 5 6 these are not visited. I am in 3. So what I do, I want to review this question. This yellow color star will appear. Then if you will go to this instruction section, here review number 3 is in yellow color. If I want to directly go to 10, then I will click here and automatically I will come to 10. And if you will now go to the progress, here 1 is answered and other things like 4 5 6 7 8 9 are not visited yet. 2 is not answered, 10 is not answered. If I will click on this option, then 10 is answered now, so it is showing in green. In this way this timer is going on, like time is reducing, and automatically it will be submitted after 60 minutes. So now I don't want to wait for that much time. I am going to submit it. When you will click on submit, it will ask you again by showing an alert message. You have to click on submit. It is showing your score 2 out of 30. You gave a correct answer, 1 wrong answer, and 8 questions are left. So you can validate answer and you can quit here. If I want to validate answer, this will show you all the answer here. Similarly, so I want to quit. Result saved. So here come to result. Here one minor test where you got 3 out of 30. Here in mid test you got 2 out of 30. So here if you will go, then you can see here. So the time taken and number of question attempted, all these things are shown. Okay. So this is all about this app, and you can get about what is this exam, about the exam, about syllabus. All these things are here. This is about account. If I will log out here, then it will log out me. These are the navigation, privacy policy. Some of these things are given here. I will develop it further. So that's it for this video. Thank you.